Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two fantastic cameras, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Fujifilm X-T5. We'll be evaluating these cameras based on their features, image quality, and functionality. So let's dive right in. Both cameras come with impressive image sensors. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor, paired with a fast Bians X processor. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 takes the lead with its class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor. This sensor delivers outstanding image quality packed with detail right across the native ISO range. When it comes to video, these cameras excel in their own ways. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 enables you to capture incredible 4K movies oversampled from 6K, ensuring no pixel binning. It also features a handy product showcase setting that easily transitions focus from face to object. Additionally, the background defocus button quickly toggles the defocus effect on and off. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 offers powerful image stabilization and a 1.84 million dot three-way tilting LCD, making it an excellent choice for videographers and content creators. To sum it up, both the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Fujifilm X-T5 are remarkable cameras with their own strengths. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 excels in video performance with its 4K oversampled movies and handy features like product showcase setting and background defocus button. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-T5 shines in still photography with its impressive 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor and in-body image stabilization. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.